Question number 9. You have a circle. The radius of that circle is 7 centimeter. In one side of the circle, with the radius of the circle as diameter, another circle is drawn. And on the other side, you can see two chords are drawn there. So both the circle and that segment area are shaded. We are going to find the area of the shaded region. To find area of the shaded region, we will take this region as the first one and this shaded region as the second one. We will find them separately and finally we will add them. So I am going to write like this. Area of shaded region 1 is going to be equal to, now when you see the area of the shaded region 1, better to put numerical because I will be confusing. It is in the shape of a circle. Now the diameter is 7 centimeter because the bigger circle, the radius is 7, that is the diameter of the smaller circle. So the radius is going to be 7 by 2. Radius is going to be 7 by 2 centimeter. Now the entire circle is shaded. So the formula to find this area is going to be pi r square. So when you substitute, you are going to have 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. That is, this 7 and 7 can be cancelled to 11 times. Then you are going to have 77 by 2 centimeter squared. You can keep this as your first answer. This is your answer 1. Area of shaded region 1. When you take the area of the shaded region 2, we will take this entire semicircle. In the semicircle, you have to subtract the area of this triangle. Then you will get the remaining area, that is the shaded region 2. Area of shaded region 2 is going to be equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. That triangle is ACB. We will put it as ABC. Now the formula to find area of semicircle is half pi r square. From that you have to subtract area of triangle, which is half into base into height. You can see that half is common there. You can pull out that half. So you are going to have pi r squared minus bh. Now we will substitute the values. When you substitute the values, you are going to have half into pi value is 22 by 7. The radius is going to be, the radius of this semicircle is 7. So you are going to have 7 into 7 minus, this is the base of the triangle. AB measurement is the base of the triangle, which is nothing but the diameter of the circle, that is 14, into OC is the height of this triangle, that is nothing but the radius of the semicircle, so it is 7. Now you have 1 7 and 1 7 can be cancelled, so you have 1 by 2 into 22 into 7, that is nothing but 154 minus 4 7s are 28, carry 2, 1 7 is 7, 8, 9, so you have 98. So it is 1 by 2 into 154 minus 98, 56. 56 divided by 2 is going to be 28. So the second answer is 28 centimeter square. Now the total shaded area of shaded region is going to be area of shaded region 1 plus area of shaded region 2. So when you add both the answers, you are going to get the first answer we found 77 by 2 plus 28. When 2, 133 by 2 centimeter square. This is the total area of the shaded region. It can also be written as 66.5 centimeter square.